Hello everybody. Today we'll be unboxing a new bay. I'll show you guys. Today we'll be unboxing this bay. I think it's Fierce Chili's. Right, I think this bay is pretty good, right? Let's get unboxing. Right? Scissors. Now how do I open it? I'm just gonna open it right now. Right, just gonna open it.